This is called Couch Dismantle. The last day in February, Saturday, February 28th, 2009. As you can see, this couch has had good and bad days. It's time to get rid of this old thing. It's already in the way and I'm sick and tired of moving it all the time. So I'm gonna kick the fucker's ass today. All you really need is a utility knife and a hammer, and I'll show you why. Only I did enough. Gotta have good music on and kick its ass.
Syndrome. Had a cool dream. kick it. Submit.